wat gee. Zwaar nee, pas op as hy afkom, hy zwaar. Jy reg? Jy reg, nee?
How's it? Welcome back. It's been a while. Motorcycles are my hobby. So I do have a full-time job. So that kept me busy for a while. But I've got some big updates. We're going to replace the fuel pump in Old Shirley, the Sherco. The fuel pump's bad. So we need to fix that. It quoted me 7,000 Rand to buy the whole pump assembly, which is ridiculous. So I've actually bought a Toyota Quantum pump. It's 3.8 bar. This needs to run between 3 and 5 bar, which is quite high. Hopefully that pump works. The current pump is dead. So it was running. So it will just be an improvement in my opinion either way, even if it's 90% better. And then I've got some updates. I bought the cheapest BMW K. Remember from the previous video of the K75 Ultima, you'll see that's a 750 triple 3-cylinder. So I bought the cheapest one in South Africa. I paid 14,000 Rand for it, which ended up not being the price. I had a bit of an auction fever. I haven't been in an auction since the SMD days. So I went to this website, GoBid, and yeah, there it was, 14,000 Rand. I paid my deposit, did my first bid all on the same day, and I won the bid, and it all went through. However, I have to say there's some hidden terms and conditions I do not tell you about. For example, there's 150 Rand a day storage fee. So I bought it in Johannesburg, in Gauteng. I would have taken me 20 odd days, end of the month, to fly up and ride it down. That was the initial plan. I tracked the bike down to the previous owner, who dropped it off at We Buy Cars. So it stood unsold by We Buy Cars for 5 years, and then they eventually dumped the stock at auction. That's where I bought it from. So there was auction fees. I had to get a friend to pick it up, so I didn't have to pay the 150 a day. And he was also going to see if he can get it running. It was sold as a non-runner. I was hoping, after speaking to the previous owner, that it's only the flat battery, because the battery is flat, and there is a special tool that you need to know about and have, basically a screwdriver in a certain position to pop the wiring out, so you can take the control, the Montronics control system out, so you can actually get to the battery. So yeah, so hopefully it's just a flat battery. I was going to fly up and ride it down. That did change, however, with work being busy, and the bike did not start after I tried to jump at a friend of mine, big thanks Saki again. So yeah, he tried to push start with his neighbors. I already owed him favors, and I owed his neighbor favors. I owed his wife's car was sleeping outside. So I eventually decided to get a transport truck, a CMA, and that's what we're waiting now for, Escape Motor Assist. So yeah, they'll be dropping off the bike soon, any moment now. So while we're waiting for that, let's pull the fuel pump out. On a scale from 1 to 10, how dodgy does this look? Make sure you use your old lawnmower fuel in testing a fuel pump. But all the old fuel in it stale with a lot of two-stroke. That should be enough to start a fire. Internal fuel regulator. Not blow up. Right back. check. Swart kat. Ja, streamline. Guys, there we have it. The starter's just spinning, probably the sprague clutch, and there's no fuel pump. And a big thanks to this guy. Did you drove through the night?
No, we slept over by Kroonstad, and then we drove, I think we left at 1 o'clock on Friday morning.
1 o'clock on Friday morning.
We arrived from 5.
I'm glad they're looking after you. Didn't have to sleep in the car anymore.
Slaap nog steeds. Slaap nog steeds.
Thanks, guys.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown, they wanna fill your head with doubt. Like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Ja, dankie. Grand started.
Then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Isso não me esquece. Mano, eu tô pensando assim, mas claro. Será? 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 Entre. Ja, entre. Ik ga nog één keer blok rijden. Dank je. Ja, hintom. Thanks, Kevin. Big thanks to Kevin. Just listen to this. The spark clutch was stuck. The battery's flat now. But yeah, that's good news. So the spark clutch, we're just riding it up and down the road. Happy days. So I'll be buttoning up a few things. But yeah, physically it took us there's another hour to 2 hours and 48 minutes to get it started. So I could actually have ridden it back from Joburg in hindsight. But here it is, and we'll take the project further. Let us know what you want to do. I was thinking maybe a cafe racer. I'll put a photo in here. It's a bit rough around the edges, so it's not original anymore like the K100 I was hoping it would be. So I think I'll keep this as my original, and I'll build a little cafe racer here. Let me know what you think. I'll put a photo in here as I mentioned. Thanks, Kevin.
Hey, filament.